Today, I'm going to show you how to set up 32-bit float and the different recording modes on the Deity DLTX. I currently have my DLTX in a boom pole configuration. For this shoot, I'm transmitting to my sound bag, but would also like to record locally as a backup. We always recommend transmitting and recording when possible. UHF frequencies can change during a take, your receiver can experience a power failure, or the mixer's channel gain could be set improperly. To avoid all of this, let's set up 32-bit float to protect ourselves. On the DLTX, enter the menu and scroll down to Rec mode. Here, you can control all of the relevant settings for your recordings. Click Bit and select 32F to enable 32-bit float mode. With that confirmed, you can select the way recordings are initiated. Always means that devices will start a recording when it powers on and stop recording when it powers off. Manual means a recording starts and stops when you initiate it from the record menu. Sync rec means that recordings only start when the DLTX receives a timecode signal and becomes synced. More often than not, manual recording is going to be your go-to, but the other modes are there if needed. There are two ways to find the manual record menu. You can enter the DLTX top menu and scroll down to Record. The other and faster way to get to this menu is to long press the up button from the home screen. Whichever way you choose, once you're in this menu, you can hit select to start your 32-bit float recording. Once complete, hit select and confirm your recording is over. With that, you're ready to get rolling. Happy shooting.